दिस इज़ वन्स इन अ યર ઓપોર્ચ્યુનિટી. જો આ વર્ષે મિસ કરી દીધી તો આવતા વર્ષે તમને ઓપોર્ચ્યુનિટીનો લાભ મળશે. કેમ? કારણ કે દિસ ઇઝ એન્યુઅલ સેલ ઓફ હૃદય જ્વેલ્સ. અને જડાવથી લઈને ડાયમંડથી લઈને ફેશનથી લઈને જેટલી પણ જ્વેલરી છે એના ઉપર, જેટલી ઇમિટેશન જ્વેલરી છે એના પર ફ્લેટ 25% they are offering. અને they also have 92.5 pure silver jewelry on which they are giving flat 20%. So I'll definitely say that this is a મસ્ટ વિઝિટ એક્ઝિબિશન. જેમના ઘરમાં વેડિંગ આવે છે કે જેમના ઘરમાં કોઈ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ ઓકેશન આવે છે, જ્વેલરીની બધી જ પ્રોબ્લેમ્સ અહીંથી એક જગ્યાએથી સોલ્યુશન આપણને મળી જશે. વધારે ડિટેલ્સ માટે લેટ્સ વિઝિટ ધી ઓનર herself.
Hello, my name is Vrishanki and we have here our Hruday Jewels annual sale for just for 3 days at Beyond Gallery, Keshav Bagh, and you can just swipe left to see our collection. Yes, so firstly we'll see the bridal collection, and this is the Rani Har. Then we have in diamond also for your reception and Sangeet. Again for your wedding, the multicolor lovers. Then this is in 9 to 5 silver, the carved stones, the polki look, the layered look. Yes, and here also 9 to 5 silver. This is a beautiful gorgeous piece. Again Ankar polki. Yes, for bridal. This is Hasni. This is Dasa Kam. This is Jadao, and this is a stunning piece. This is fusion collection. So now we'll see the Jadao collection. અને એમાં પણ આપણી પાસે ચોકર્સ, દેન લોંગ નેકલેસીસ ફોર યોર હલ્દી, ગ્રહ શાંતિ, બેઠક, એવરીથિંગ ઓર એન્યુઅલ એલ્સિસ વેડિંગ. This is Monzonite collection. And everything we won't be revealing. You will have to visit to see each and every collection. Plus, અમારી USP એ છે કે અમે એન્યુઅલ સેલ કરીએ છીએ. So everything is new arrival and we are offering the discounts on the same, not a clearance sale.
જડાઉ સેક્શન ઉપર કેટલું ડિસ્કાઉન્ટ છે?
25%, flat 25% off. Yes.
એમાં આ તો ખાલી એક ટ્રેલર છે, બાકી આખી મૂવી
Yes.
જોવા માટે યુ નીડ ટુ વિઝિટ ધ શો.
This is 92.5 silver jewelry, and on this we are offering 20% discount. Yes, this is fusion collection with a beautiful emerald stone. These all are fusion pieces. પછી તમને ગોલ્ડ લુકમાં જોવું હોય તો these are the collection. This is Navgrah piece. This is a beautiful choker. Again some bridal pieces, semi-bridal pieces. Then the necklace I have worn, this beautiful turquoise choker. And these are the silver earrings plus necklaces you can find. Again, this is kind of a coin theme necklace. This is pretty ruby collection. સો જનરલી તમારે વેડિંગ માટે અલગ અલગ જગ્યાએ શોપિંગ કરવું પડે છે કે આ વસ્તુ માટે બીજે જઈએ, પણ વી હેવ એવરીથિંગ અંડર વન રૂફ. ઓલ ધી એસેસરીઝ, whether it's hath full, these are tikas, these are beautiful sheesh full, and these are matha pattis. So anything you would like to match with your wedding bridal jewelry, then you can. And then we have bangles as well. So from scratch, ring to bangles to everything. These are Jadao bangles. Then bracelets, 9 to 5 silver, bangles, kadas. These are also adjustable bracelets in silver as well. And Jardar bangles, fusion kada, everything. On to diamond jewelry section. So these are all the beautiful neck pieces, from smaller to bigger, from casual to your wedding, and in each and every color as well. So you can choose whatever you want. And you have bracelets, beautiful diamond bracelets which you can pair it up with many things. These are the brand bracelets, mother of pearl. Then these are the trio bracelets which you can stack. These are the stone bracelets which you can pair up with watch. Then rings and bangles as well. Bracelets flat at 2,000 rupees.
So this section is
Yes.
2000.
These are the earrings, only earrings, which you can wear on your kurtas or saris if you are a long earring lover. This is the pretty chumkas in silver and jadao gold.
So we have
Minimal look, for the minimal look and gifting purpose as well. These are diamond earrings and studs. These are pretty studs, and we have it in 2 colors. If you are a stone lover, then we have each and every color available in the doublet stores. These are pearl jewelry lover and statement pieces. Then we have the silver studs and jadao jewelry earrings as well. Yes, so now moving on to fashion jewelry. The beautiful neck pieces with earrings, only neck pieces. The statement pieces. This you will love. Yes, Hasleys. And now earrings. Only earrings which you can pair up with your casual look. Gold and silver both. If you are a pearl lover, then it's very pretty. And in a very minimalistic range, this is 1,050 and still you will get 25% off on the same.
So એમાં પણ બહુ જ બધા ઓપ્શન છે to choose from. Now you need to visit them personally to explore all the options.
So now moving on to only flat 500, 1,000, 1,500, 2,000 section. જે તમને આટલા બધા plenty of options મળે છે. Suppose you are taking this bracelet, this is for 500. Pretty earrings છે. These are for flat 500. હાથફૂલ છે, રિંગ્સ છે, ફ્લેટ 500. આ બધી ઇયરિંગ્સ તમને 500માં મળશે.
So gifting માટે પણ આપણે
Yes, exactly. This is 9 to 5 studs, flat at 1,000 rupees, and we have beautiful colors in that. Turquoise, champagne, everything. Then these are the earrings for flat 1,000 rupees. We have Bengali kam rings for 1,000 rupees. Then moving on to 1,500 range, we have pretty diamond earrings. Then we have pretty new arrivals. These stacking bracelets, the solitaire look bracelets, tennis bracelets, diamond bracelets. Then antique diamond earrings flat for 2,000 rupees. These are fresh pearl malas flat 2,000 rupees. Okay, so જેને particularly કોઈ રેન્જમાં લેવાનું છે એના માટે પણ we have plenty of options. Suppose this is for 2,500 and it will cost you 1,875 after 25% off. આ તમને after discount 3,000 અરાઉન્ડમાં પડશે. એવી રીતે ડાયમંડ નેક પીસીસમાં પણ અમારી પાસે 2,000 અરાઉન્ડની રેન્જના છે જે આફ્ટર તમને ડિસ્કાઉન્ટ પડશે. સો એમાં તમને નેક પીસ પ્લસ ઇયરિંગ તમને મળશે જેમાં એટલા બધા ઓપ્શન્સ છે જડતર હોય કે ડાયમંડ હોય. ઓલ્સો વી હેવ ઓફર્સ ઇન good offers in fusion. We are here at Beyond Gallery Keshav Bagh just for 3 days. It is annual sale of Rudev Jewels The timings are 10:30 to 7:30. In case if you are not in town, not from Ahmedabad, then you can book a video call appointment on our WhatsApp number, that is 70168 30594. Thank you so much. Do visit us.